Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about presenting report in English. Three sections in presenting report. How we can present our report in English. Okay. We have three sections of presentation. The first, introduction, and the second, body, and then the third, conclusion. The first section or section 1 is introduction. A. We have to welcome our audience or welcoming audience. We can use good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or good afternoon, everyone. And then point B, we have to introduce ourselves. Introducing yourself, we can use my name is, or I will introduce our group members if you are in a group. And then the third, I am from. C. Opening and introducing subject. For example, I would like to present my report about, and then tell about the subject. Or we will present a report entitled. You can tell about the title or the subject of the report. D. Outlining the section of presentation. We can use the first. First of all, I will divide this presentation into blah blah section. For example, first of all, I will divide this presentation into 5 sections. And the number 2, the first section is background, the second is purpose and advantages, the third is main point and findings, and then the last is conclusion. Point E, giving instruction about questions. For example, we can use I plan to keep some time for question after presentation. Or number 2, feel free to interrupt me if you have any question. Number 1, if the question section is after the presentation. Number 2, if the question sections during the presentation. You can interrupt the presenter to give a question. Section 2, body. The body is the representation. If the introduction was well prepared and delivered, the body will be in control. The presenter should feel relaxed and confident. The body should be well structured, divided up logically, with plenty of careful spaced visuals. Remember these key points while delivering the presentation. The first, do not hurry. And then be excited. Next, give time on visual. Next, maintain eye-to-eye connection. And then modulate your voice. And then look friendly. And then maintain positive body language or hand signals. And then keep to your structure. And then the last, you can use your notes. Section 3, conclusion. Use the conclusion to A. Sum up. B. Give recommendation. C. Thank your audience. And then D. Invite the questions. Summing up, we can use A. To conclude, blah blah blah, or B. In conclusion, blah blah blah, and then C. Finally, blah blah blah. Making recommendations. In conclusion, my recommendations are blah blah blah, or B. I suggest blah blah blah. Next, thanking your audience. We can use thanks for attention or thank you very much. And at the last, inviting questions. We can use can I have any questions? Or is there any question? Or do you have any questions? And this is the end of the presentation. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.